Let's jump into a technical analysis of CDTX stock as of June the 23rd, 2025. We'll cover the trend, price and volume, moving averages, technical indicators, linear regression, next day's opening forecast, support and resistance, ATR-based projections, scenarios, and a volatility analysis, all in a concise, engaging flow. General overview and trend. CDTX has been a rollercoaster over the past 3 months, with a sharp shift in trend. Starting at 20.83 on March 26, it dipped to 16.43 by April 4, then traded between 16 to 22 until mid-May. A brief rally pushed it to 26.90 on May 20, but the real fireworks came on June 23, closing at 44.95, a 113.7% surge from 21.02 the prior day. This breakout suggests a potential trend reversal, but the stock's history of sharp drops keeps us cautious. Price and volume dynamics. Price action ties closely to volume. Early volumes were moderate, from 67,453 on March 27 to 575,841 on April 9, supporting a downtrend. The low of 16.43 saw 119,539 shares, showing weak selling. Mid-April to May had spikes like 468,547 on April 8, with rallies at 26.49 and 26.90 backed by 382,437 and 285,519 shares. June 23's 6,741,757 volume drove the 44.95 close, signaling intense buying. VWAP at 30.03 suggests late-day buying, and OBV at 7,348,929 confirms accumulation, but high volume raises pullback risks. Moving averages, SMA and EMA. Moving averages highlight the breakout. The 5-day SMA at 26.36 and EMA at 29.67 lag the 44.95 close, showing short-term bullishness. The 10-day SMA at 25.64 and EMA at 26.83, and 20-day SMA at 24.52 and EMA at 25.15 was smashed, indicating a sharp move. The 50-day SMA at 24.85 and 200-day SMA at 22.50 were also surpassed, hinting at a longer-term shift. The gap from these averages suggests overextension, with the 20-day SMA as a key level to watch. Technical indicators. Momentum indicators are overbought. RSI 14 at 82.84 and Williams percent are at -1.74 signal potential reversal. Stochastic K5 at 41.05 and D5 at 20.74 show upward momentum, but stock OSI K5 at 100.00 screams caution. Trend indicators are bullish. MACD at 1.77, signal at 0.79, and histogram at 0.97 confirm strength. ADX 14 at 22.32 and a rune up at 100.00 show a strong uptrend. Volatility is high. ATR 14 at 3.25 and Bollinger Bands, upper at 34.34, middle at 24.52, lower at 14.69, show the price breaking the upper band. PSAR at 20.16 supports bullishness. Volume indicators like Chaikin oscillator at 1.840, 144.39 and MFI 14 at 92.27 confirm buying but near overbought levels. Linear regression. The TSF 14-day at 28.10 is well below the 44.95 close, suggesting the stock is above its trend line. This deviation hints at a possible pullback to 28 to 30, aligning with VWAP at 30.03, unless volume sustains the rally. Next trading day opening forecast. The June 23 close of 44.95 and high volume suggest a gap up. Factoring ATR 14 at 3.25 and the high of 45.39, the opening could be 44.50-46.00. Profit taking might push it down to 42.00, near the day's low of 37.76. Bullish indicators favor a higher open, but overbought signals urge caution. Support and resistance analysis. Support is at the 20-day SMA of 24.52, June 20th low of 20.16, and Bollinger lower band at 14.69. Resistance is at 45.39, with 50.00 as a psychological level. The 44.95 price is near resistance, 20.43 units from the 20-day SMA. Intraday moves could test 50.00 if momentum holds, or fall to 37.76 if selling hits. Intraday ATR 14 based projections. ATR 14 at 3.25 gives a high of 44.95 plus 3.25 equals 48.20 and low of 44.95 3.25 equals 41.70. These align with the day's range, suggesting a test of 48.20 or a drop to 41.70, with selling more likely given RSI. Possible scenarios. Bullish case. CDTX opens above 45.00, pushing to 50.00 with high volume. Bearish case. Profit taking drops it to 42.00, testing 24.52 if selling grows. Neutral case. Consolidation between 41.70 and 48.20, with RSI cooling. The 6,741,757 volume hints at a catalyst, but a fade could trigger sharp declines. Volatility analysis. ATR 14 at 3.25 and Beta 14 at 0.79 show high daily swings, but lower market correlation. NATR 14 at 7.23% and wide Bollinger Bands confirm volatility. The 113.7% spike underscores speculative moves, requiring tight risk management. Conclusion. CDTX's 44.95 close on June 23, backed by 6,741,757 shares, signals a bullish breakout. MACD, ADX, and Arun support this, but RSI at 82.84 and stock RSI at 100.00 warn of a pullback. The stock may open at 44.50-46.00, with moves between 41.70 and 48.20. Support at 24.52 and resistance at 45.39 will guide action. High volume and volatility suggest a speculative surge, but a drop looms if buying fades. Watch volume and RSI closely.